This tutorial review will show you how to Photoshop someone out of a picture. Import the photo. Make a copy of the layer. Select the upper one and select the selection tool and select here object. Click on select, modify, expand and give your 30 pixel. Click on edit, fill. Select here content hour. OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. That's how we can Photoshop someone out of a picture. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.